Hi guys, welcome to another video from Deep Dive Tunes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a pivot column. It's an additional column that you may have to use in your pivot table. Like in this table you may have another column over here called sort order, so I'm just going to add that column. PHP artisan, make migration, create sort order on attribute product table, hyphen table equal to attribute product. I should create the migration, and we have over here, let's create this table, integer sort order after attribute ID, and let's run this migration. That should have run the migration, and that has created the sort order column. Now let's go back to our Tinker. Sorry. Let's go back to Tinker and try to get the product and its attributes. Now if you see over here in the pivot property, you're only getting product ID and attribute ID. So if you want to get the additional data, let's add some data to it. If you want to get the additional data from your pivot table, then you will have to do something like with pivot and sort order. Save it. Let's restart Tinker. Get the attributes, and there you go. You're getting the additional column, additional data back along with the attribute. Now you can also get the timestamps on it with timestamps method chaining. So let's start Tinker again, because every time you make a change you have to restart Tinker. Let's get the product, and let's get the attributes, and there you go. You're getting back the timestamps, which means the method chaining and the pivot is working. Thank you for watching. In the next video we are going to see some more things about many-to-many relationship. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it. In that way you will get regular updates. And for now, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.